Alright, what is going on, everyone? So in this video, we're just going to talk about how to make a Facebook pixel from scratch, right? So I will explain the importance of a Facebook pixel after I give this quick tutorial, because I just want to get straight to the point. I know that's what you're here for. You're not here to hear me babble about like why you need this Facebook pixel. I'll explain that later, But first, let's get straight to business. Let's talk about how to make it from scratch, right? Because if you're running Facebook ads or any kind of paid ads, you do need a pixel. You do need to track your data, because if you're not, then you're not going to make any money and you're just actually wasting it. So let's go right here. So you're going to go here on the Facebook page, right? You're going to your pretty much businessfacebook.com. This is where like you have all your ads, you have all your accounts. So I have a new account here because you can only have one pixel per account, right? Once you create it, that's it. You can't make another one, right? So right here, we're in the main menu. So you want to go right here, the business tools, or right here, pick event manager. I like using this. I don't know why. And event manager. Then what you're going to do is you're going to press this right here. It's called connect data sources, right? You press that. These things are going to appear. And depending what you want to do, for this situation, I'm going to pick a website. And by the way, if you already have a pixel, right, it's not going to give you the option to pick this. That's why I had to go do it from. So each profile is only going to have one pixel. You're not allowed to change it. And also what's kind of annoying about Facebook ads is that you can't delete that pixel, right? You have to keep it. If you want to have a new pixel completely, then you would have to like make it, you would have to make a new profile altogether. So we're going to go get started. Then what we want to pick is Facebook pixel. Right, because, and I'll just read it for you real quick. Facebook pixel, send website events and parameters, I don't know how I can say that, through the website browser your customers use when interacting with your website. Okay, cool. And then continue. Just ignore that. Now, whatever you want to name your pixel, I'm going to name it the pixel because I'm very creative. Continue. And there you go. That is it. That is how easy it is to set up a Facebook pixel. And then you can actually install it manually if you want. Get this code, which I hate coding. But that is all. So you get this. This is the code number for your pixel. And right here, it'll show you kind of like the results. So the testing, history, overview, how much data is picking up, which is really important, and stuff like that. And again, the reason why you want to have a Facebook pixel is because it tracks your data, right? It tracks the actions, right, of the people who click on your Facebook ads. And it's a great way to, like, if you're doing Facebook ad, to retarget them if they didn't like commit to whatever you're trying to get them to do on your ad, or to create an audience that looks like the people who are interested in your product. So what I mean by that is like creating a lookalike audience, which is one of the most powerful things you can do on Facebook, in my opinion. I prefer that over retargeting, because retargeting that costs a lot of money. But lookalike audience, I like that because what they're doing is Facebook is actually looking for people, right, on Facebook that are similar to the people who clicked on your ad, right? So you don't have to you don't really have to like figure out the targeting as much compared to like Facebook's going to do it for you, right? So that's why it's very important. So I do have a video of how to install the pixels into like onto a landing page. I personally, this is just my opinion, I think if you're going to use Facebook ads, you're better off just using a landing page and collecting a lead over trying to send them to a website, right? Because websites, they can people are not going to take a lot of action compared to a landing page, which is immediately call to action, right? That's just my opinion. I had better success with setting up a landing page over sending them to a website, right? And I noticed that the clicks are a little cheaper. But that is pretty much it about this tutorial. It's pretty short, straightforward. It's just talking about how to create a Facebook pixel. And of course, if you are doing Facebook ads, you do need it. And by the way, so I know this is a little off topic, but down below is going to be a link for a software called Buildall. So if you are using Facebook ads and you do need, I do highly recommend getting, a landing page. And, of course, you got to get a landing page software. And the one I'm using right now is called Buildall. It's probably one of the best softwares out there. They have a whole bunch of templates you can use. On top of that, it does have an email autoresponder within the software too. So you don't have to get another email autoresponder software, right? And try to I just had a brain fart right now. Try to pretty much have the email autoresponder and the landing page software kind of interact with each other, kind of integrated them, right? Because that could be a big pain. With Builder, it's all under one platform. You could try it out down below. It's going to be just $1 to try it out for 30 days. If you like it, then keep it. Service cool. If you don't, you can move on to something else. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course, like and subscribe. And I am done. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.